Weiport Electrical Appliance Co Limited is located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, which specializes in producing the industrial connector devices. Since 1996, we start developing and manufacturing the industrial connector, include plug and socket, coupler distribution panel, and heavy-duty connector, to ensure safe and reliable power supply solution. Nowadays, we are one of the members of the National Electronic Accessory Standardization Technical Committee, also one of the drafting committee of the National Standard GBT 11918-2014. Weiport factory covers more than 30,000 square meters with more than 500 staff. Over 3,000 customers at home and abroad, which cover in 80 countries, and more than 50 distributors all over the world. In 2018, our sales value nearly 300 million yuan, and we work with many well-known enterprises. Now, our product assortment include more than 10,000 different products. Successful cases: Olympic Stadium Bird's Nest project, 60th Anniversary National Day Xianmen Square Celebrating Lighting Project, Shanghai Universal Exposition Opening Ceremony Lighting Project. Weiport has strong R&D capacity, can develop various connectors according to customers' special request. We're considering all the details of application, operation and production during the development process. In addition, we own the perfect modern workshop, tooling workshop and electroplanting factory. Production of the contact parts of connector. We have strict request of the raw material. Use the excellent copper material to make the connector pin and socket contact. Use the famous brand equipment, guarantee the product stability. Production process is fully by mechanical hand, can reduces the error of manual operation, ensure the product quality and production efficiency. We are far ahead of the industry area by this core competitiveness. Fully automatic production processes ensure the production efficiency and better stability. We are effectively control all production steps and test each product individually. Here, we will test in actual operations with raw use. Each product will go through 25 testing process according to its specific field of use, ensure the high safety and durability. We have over 12,000 square meters logistics center, which will send out 18 million packages per year, serving all the corners of the world and many different application scenarios. The machine with good efficiency is based on the effective stable running. The connectors produced by Weiport can work effectively and stable even under extreme conditions. The products of Weiport refer to rail transit, industrial automation, energy, photovoltaics, stage lighting, exhibitions, 3C products, medical, agriculture and other fields. Industry 4.0 is a global development trend. Weiport connector delivers current and signal with stable and safe performance to meet various strict automatic connection needs. Today, you can see the Weiport connector all over the world.